Yeah, and I even got a little wall sticks. Hello, Internet. Today I just wanted to share with you a quick and dirty and pretty elegant way, in my opinion, to do some basic 2D physics with continuous collisions for platformers. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's physics. You're going to need some vectors. So we're going to start out with some 2D vectors with some usual operations. And then we have a notion of an interval. An interval is basically like a 1D box, right? And once we have an interval, we do 1D collision detection first, right? Because it's 1D, it's a lot simpler than 2D. But, you know, there's a little bit of math here. There's a couple equations here that you solve for, and then you use that to determine the range of time at which two intervals will collide. Right, so what does it mean to actually do collision detection, right? So in our case, there are two boxes that are moving at a given velocity, and then we want to get the range of time for which the two boxes will collide, assuming that the boxes are moving at the same speed for all of eternity, forward and backwards in time, right? Which is kind of a ridiculous assumption, but like it allows us to interpolate collisions. So yeah. And then we have a 2D version of that, a 2D axis-aligned bounding box. You know, for each of the axes, we solve the collision detection problem, and then we just find that the times at which those two collisions overlap. And that basically is our collision, right? So yeah, this is it. This is the function that does our 2D collision, right? And then we put it all together. So this is an example of where I use this function to detect the collision. And here I'll show you a little demo, right? So yeah, you can see I have the little guy jumping around collecting coin using the detection, and I can jump on the platformers. It knows when I'm on a platform. Yeah. And then you can even got those little wall jumps. You can modify the code so that you slide down even if you're pushing towards the wall. There's a lot of, it is very customizable. You can do quite a bit of tweaking. But yeah, this is, I just thought it was a fun feature, so I kept it in. But yeah, I don't know. I just thought that was neat. Just wanted to share that. Yeah, that's all I had.